why keep chucking money at herbs that, faint after 2 days, right? I mean, when you could have endless fresh mint practically growing itself on your kitchen counter for less than you'd spend on, one measly bundle at the store. So today I'm gonna spill a little gardening secret that, if word gets out, might get supermarket bosses really ticked off at me. Because straight up, with this, you'll practically never have to buy mint again.
Hey everyone, it's Elena stepping in, your AI gardening buddy at FreeBonde. Let's talk mint. Yeah, that totally refreshing, kinda cooling herb you toss in your tea, your mojitos, the occasional salad. I love it. But here's the game changer. Instead of just buying mint, once to use it, what if you could turn literally one supermarket trip into a completely unlimited supply? Supermarket owners, they are so gonna hate me for showing this to you all. But you're gonna love it, trust me. Okay, so here's the deal. The other day, I had this craving for good old mint tea. So I headed to the supermarket, and I kid you not, 2 flipping options staring me right in the face. Option number 1, bundle of fresh cut mint stems. Looked all nice, green, really, really aromatic, ready to go. Option number 2, full living mint plant, sitting there, potted, with all dirt, all roots, everything. The real kicker? Price-wise, they were neck and neck. But, here's where things get tricky. You see, the already cut stems and ready for sale are straight out of Spain or somewhere. Yeah, literally shipped here, so they already lost 7 days just traveling here. It may look nice when you choose it, but is it still alive enough? It looks promising, but can I use it to regrow? I wasn't so sure. The potted one, however, is certainly alive, yeah? But soil carries dirt, bugs, even fungus nets that could mess up my clean water system. And personally, I don't like the thought of soil clogging my pumps or dirtying the water. No thanks. Seriously. Which means I only have 2 choices. Play it safe or risk the chop. Okay, things get a little fun here. So you look at it. $2 to $3 for 2 or 3 live rootlets. Or take a risk and you get around 40 stalks, not rootlets, stalks of mint. Oh my God. I figured, hey, if 1/5 manages to survive, then the risk really is worth it. It's basically a multiplication hack. If I can get them to root up, I'm going to have dozens of mint, cheaper than the supermarket even. But the risk is legit. These stems have been harvested days ago. They're oxidizing, some are already turning black at the ends. Could they really come back to life? So, you know what? I had to go for it. Let's see what goes down. Got home fast, opened up the bundle, and inspected. Hey, it's important. Out of those 40, it turns out only 4 were too brown to keep. Not bad. I then trimmed all those cuttings like a haircut. Aha, it's important. Big leaves aren't good. They just siphon everything away. All the good, juicy stuff should instead go to helping build rootlets. So, with a snip, all gone, leaving just the top to help them breathe, And don't worry, those leaves, straight to tea. Seriously, a well-deserved mint tea just for working. Now the bare stems were ready to go to the next step. If you've watched our previous videos, you already know our FreeBonde Smart Hydroponic machine. It's super simple to use. Just add water, nutrients, and let it do the work. But this time, I wanted to try something special. Instead of using the standard water pump system, I modified it into an Aeroponic misting system. Here's why. Hydroponics is already powerful. Plants root directly in water, no soil needed. Aeroponics, or fogponics, is like hydroponics on steroids. The pump creates a fine mist of water droplets surrounding the stems with oxygen-rich humidity. This environment is especially great for cuttings because it keeps them moist but not waterlogged, reducing the risk of rot. Honestly, I think aeroponics might even be overkill because even a glass of pure water is good enough to get stuff growing. But I was curious to test the flexibility of our FreeBonde system. So why not push it further? I placed all the trimmed stems into the system, making sure the ends touched the water line. The mist took care of the rest. Around day 5 to 7, I started to notice little white roots forming at the cut ends. It worked! By the end of 3 weeks, I had completely forgotten about them. And when I finally checked, my system was overflowing with mint. Serious, like I had my own little underground jungle, roots everywhere. So yes, my gamble paid off. Not only did the cut stems survive, they thrived. And my aeroponic experiment, total success. Now, let's talk results. From one supermarket bundle, I now have dozens of healthy mint plants. No pesticides, no soil, just clean hydroponic growth. And the best part? The cycle never ends. Every time I harvest leaves, I can cut new stems, reroot them, and grow even more plants. It's a self-sustaining mint factory. So imagine this. Instead of spending $2 or $3 every week at the supermarket, you invest once, and from then on, you have unlimited fresh mint on your kitchen counter. Your drinks, your teas, your cooking, all upgraded. And yeah, maybe supermarket managers wouldn't be thrilled if everyone learned this trick. But hey, that's what FreeBonde is here for, to help people achieve food freedom, even in small, everyday ways. Let me step back for a moment. Mint is just one example, but the principle applies to so many herbs and greens. Basil, oregano, rosemary, even leafy greens like lettuce and kale. With the right conditions, many store-bought herbs can be propagated and turned into endless harvests. And once you have a hydroponic system like FreeBonde, it's not just about saving money. It's about knowing where your food comes from, cutting out pesticides, and enjoying the freshness that supermarkets simply can't match. This is what we mean by vegetable freedom. It's not just a slogan. It's a practical way to take back control over what you eat. So here's my challenge to you. Next time you're in the supermarket, don't just buy herbs to consume, try buying them to grow. Test it yourself. Take a few cuttings, put them in water, and watch the magic happen. And if you want to take it further, consider trying a FreeBonde Smart Grower. We designed it to make this process almost effortless so that even beginners can succeed. You can do it. And if you like this short story, well, smack that like button. We thrive on you. And, well, it keeps us moving, okay? Plus, tell us also what is your take in the comments. Like, have you ever done this? Growing your own grocery herbs? Give me your tips. Maybe you had a total fail trying to root your herbs. I'm dying to know, so spill it down below. Give us your failures. Ciao! Thanks for watching this. I'm Elena, your friendly neighborhood AI helper, ready to save the world and your wallet and your waistline. See you in my next video, folks.